This remedy will help to take away ages from your age, like seriously. Hey guys, welcome again back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be making this remedy for you to take away years, like 10 years, 15 years from your age. So in case you are new here, have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So I'll be making use of tomato with cucumber. Combination of these two added with some more ingredients will help a lot to make sure you're always looking younger. Always. So you want to look younger, you want to get rid of wrinkles, any signs of aging. This remedy will just help you so much. So do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and also share this video to everyone. So let's go straight and make this remedy for you to always look younger, to take away years from your age and look very flawless always. So the first ingredient we are going to use here is tomato. Tomato contains antioxidants, lycopene, and vitamin C. Consuming it will help to provide your body with these antioxidants that help to prevent your skin from aging so fast. It stops skin from damage, clears out dark spots and pimples, and help to plump your skin and make your skin to look very, very young. Okay, so this is so important for you. What we are going to do is to grate it. This time around I won't be blending it because I don't want to add water in it. You have to make sure you wash it, keep it neat, then grate it using a grater. After grating it, the next ingredient I'm going to add is cucumber. So you can use as many as you want, but I want to apply it only on my face and my neck. So in case you want to apply it all over your body, you can just get more of the ingredients. So I'm going to make use of only just this size is enough for me. So cucumber contains both vitamin C and folic acid, an anti-wrinkle that helps to boost collagen production in the body, making sure you're always looking young and healthy always. So I'm going to grate it just the same with the tomato. So the next thing I'm going to do is to reduce the water in it. Cucumber has so much water in it, and also tomato. So just to reduce it a little bit, then transfer it into a bowl. So you have to mix it very well. The next ingredient we are going to add is sugar. Sugar is going to be used because it helps a lot to clean out your skin. It helps to rejuvenate your skin, supports collagen production, helping to keep your skin plumpy with no wrinkles. Eating sugar can make you to age fast, but applying it on your skin is one of the best things you can do. One of the best things you can offer to your skin. And it helps a lot to exfoliate your skin, to remove dead skin cells, get rid of those dull looking skin of yours, and reveal a bright looking skin. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. After that, I will mix it very well like this. Next we have here is olive oil. Olive oil acts as an antioxidant, which is a substance that prevents oxidation, prevents premature aging of the skin, clears away any signs of aging, moisturize your skin and keep it glowing and very healthy. So this is so very important. Only 1 tablespoon is all you need. Mix it very well like this, The next thing I'm going to do is to show you how to apply it on the face and when and how many times to apply it for best results. So after washing off all makeups, remove all dirt. Just make sure you use a warm water to wash your face. Okay, so after that you just apply this on the face. Apply on the face, apply on your neck. So after using it to massage your face for like 10 minutes, the next thing you are going to do is to leave it on for 15 minutes. So when it gets dry, you're going to notice it, because of the sugar presence in it, and tomato is going to tighten up all your pores, everywhere will look so wet, tighter. So after 10 minutes, you rinse it off using a cool water, just a lukewarm water. Then you follow on with just a light moisturizer. This will help to minimize wrinkles on your face. Yes, with consistent use, it's going to help to finally get rid of wrinkles from your face. So this is one of the ways you can, achieve a youthful skin at home, in your home. So very natural and very, very good. You just have to be repeating this treatment every day for best results. If you don't want to have any pimples, you have to be doing it. To clear away dark spots, you have to be doing it. You want to make your skin to look younger, you have to be doing it. Okay? Use it every day or any other day for best results. Alright, so that is all for now. You can see it's still remaining, very much remaining. You can just go ahead and apply the rest of your body. This helps also to fade away dark spots, unify your complexion, get rid of pigmentation, and make your skin to glow always. So that is all for now. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. In case you have not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell as well so you get notified when I upload videos. I'll see you in my next video.